At the first, Hui Min had only $10 notes and Jim had $2 notes. So the number of notes that they have, okay, Hui Min were just only $10 notes to Jim, who had only $2 notes. Okay, so this is at first. Right, we are counting on the number of notes. Okay, not the value. So the number of notes in the ratio will be given as this fraction over here. Since Hui Min, number of notes that Hui Min had will be 2/3. Okay, so 2:3 of what Jim had. So 2:3, 2/3. Okay, and Hui Min gave Jim $3,600. Okay, so do not put the value here, $3,600. Find the number of notes, okay, that Hui Min passed over to Jim. So $3,600. Since Hui Min only had $10 notes, she will have passed him 360 pieces of notes. Okay, so minus 360 here. I add 360 here. Okay, so this is just the number of notes. Alright, so all this $360 is in $10 form. All this is also in $10 form. All this is in $10 form. But only these 3 units is in $2 form. Okay, and the ratio of the number of notes in the end, okay, Hui Min became 1/6 of what Jim had. Okay, so Jim 6, 1/6, 1 is to 6. Alright, so since the number of notes before and after should stay the same because there's no external change, okay, they didn't spend away the money, so they just transferred. Hui Min transferred the number of notes to Jim, so the total number of notes, okay, should remain the same. So the total number, I'm counting on the units now. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 6 is 7. Right? So the lowest common multiple of the total number of units of notes should be the same. So we just multiply by each other's to get the lowest common multiple of 35. Two times 4, 14 units. 3 times 7, 21. Total units, 35 units. Okay, so all this represents the number of notes. Okay, so this is in the end. Right. So in the end, the total number of notes is still 35 units, same as before. Okay, but the number of units of notes that they have is different now. Okay, so Hui Min left 5 units of notes. Okay, but her notes is still $10. Huh? Okay, now it's just confusing over at this 30 units because this 30 units has $2 notes and $5 notes. Sorry, $10 notes. Okay, so I'll just put a note there. This type is like mixed up already. Okay, so we do not need to look into this 30 units. Okay, more importantly is to count the $360 pieces of notes, okay, which represents the difference over here. 14 units of notes from Hui Min becomes 5 units. Okay, still in $10 form. Okay, but there's a drop of decrease of 9 units. So the 9 units must be the 360 pieces of notes. Okay, so you can find 1 unit first, 40 notes. Okay, and find the amount of money that she had in the end. Okay, by counting the 5 units of notes first. So 5 units of notes is 200. So since she only had $10, okay, even she gave away, she still had only $10 notes left. So this 200 pieces of $10 notes will represent the amount of money that Hui Min had in the end. Okay, because that's what required in the question, the difference in the amount of money between the two of them at the end. So Hui Min had $2,000 at the end. Okay, and now we find Jim. Okay, to find Jim, we look at this part here because this part is not mixed up, just $2 only. Okay, this 21 units of notes, okay, still in the same number. So counting 1 unit as 40 pieces, 21 units, okay, would give you a total of 840 pieces of notes. And since all these are just $2 notes, okay, you can take this 840 multiplied by 2. So in other words, Jim had this $1,680 at first. Okay, and since he received $3,600 from Hui Ming, so we just simply add on to this amount of money that Jim had at first. So 1680 plus 3600, a total of $5,280 Jim had in the end. And what is required of question is just to find the difference that they have in the end. So the difference will just be $5,280 minus $1,680. Sorry, minus $2,000. Hui Ming in the end. So $2,000. So a difference of $3,280